Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Vision classes. It's a classes for IGCSE, GCSE, AS and A level. So today we have to discuss concepts of arc length, area of sector, AS and A level questions, and these are little bit advanced questions. So you have a means one specific topic, that is circular measure. Fine. From this topic you will get questions around 5 marks, 6 marks, 7 marks, sometimes 8 marks. So you have just two formulas are there. Arc length is equal to r theta, and area of sector is equal to 1 half r theta square. So these are the two just formulas are there. Even I have previously explained some of the concepts relating to the arc length, area of sector. So suppose if you haven't watched it yet, just go there and watch it, enjoy the videos, because those are basic things you need to have a better understanding. Then and then you will be able to solve these type of little bit advanced questions. Okay, and our regular batches classes are going on. Suppose if you want to continue with us, I have left the contact in the description box. That's it. So here question, and these are question from October-November 2024 paper I have extracted. So here we'll straight away start this discussion. Diagram shows the sector of circle with center O is given OB OC 15. So it means this is OB, this is OC, is 15 centimeter. Size of BOC is 2 pi by 5 radian. Fine. Here I will mention 2 pi by 5. Then point A and D on the OB and OC respectively. So this A point and D point on OB and OC respectively. So this joined by an arc AD of the circle with center O, the shaded region bounded by the arc AD and BC by the straight line AB and DC. Fine. Means this complete shaded region. Fine. AB, BC, this is arc, right? And CD. Fine. So this area of shaded region is given by 209 pi over 5. Fine. All right. And then we have to find out the perimeter. So perimeter of just a shaded region. Okay, by the way, the shaded region perimeter is, you can start from A to B, B to C, this arc, then C to D and D to A. This is the perimeter that we have to calculate. So here, if you look at the whole diagram, if you observe it, we don't have the length OA. Fine. And this OA we can assume as a small r. Fine. So once we assume this small r, we can solve the whole equation. So here you can see we have a area of shaded region is given, that is 209 pi over 5, isn't it? So you can calculate area of this complete OBC minus OAD, this part, isn't it? So here you can write area of sector OBC minus area of sector OAD, which is equal to 209 pi over 5. This is given here, isn't it? So the rest part is just a calculation part. Area of sector formula, area of sector formula, we have 1 half r square theta, isn't it? So here in this case 1 half r is 15, right, bracket square, times theta is 2 pi over 5. Fine. Minus area of sector OAD, it is equal to here 1 half times r is not given, so you can take r square, theta is 2 pi by 5, isn't it? It is equal to 209 pi over 5. Fine. Now the next part is just a means you have denominator part. If you look at whole thing, here you have a 2 times 5, 2 times 5, and here just you have a 5. Means this firstly cancel out, this 2 get cancel out, 2 get cancel out, even this 5, this 5 and this one 5 just again get cancelled out from the left hand side is equal to right hand side. It's a simplified form of math. Okay, then even we can calculate this pi and pi, isn't it? And what we left is 15 square is 225 minus r square is equal to 209. Transfer 209 to the left, so 225 minus 209 is equal to r square. R square is equal to 16. and we will get r is equal to square root of 16 is 4 centimeter. Yeah, once we got the r, that's enough to solve perimeter. Here perimeter is equal to AB plus, then take a BC, right, plus CD plus DA or AD. AD is just an arc, fine. So what are the things you can mention there? AB is equal to, first of all, 15 minus 4, right? So AB is equal to CD is equal to 15 minus 4, which is 11, right? Then BC is arc, right, which is equal to r theta, fine, and r theta is equal to 15 times 2 pi over 5, so 3 times 2 6 pi, isn't it? Then nextly AD is also arc, which is r theta. R is 4, theta is 2 pi by 5, so you can simplify this one as 4 times 2 8 pi by 5, fine. So means substitute all these things here, fine. So firstly AB is equal to 11 plus 6 pi, fine, plus again 11, CD is 11, isn't it, plus 8 pi by 5, fine. Now nextly here 11 plus 11 is 22 plus 5 times 6 is 30, 30 plus 8 is 38 pi by 5. This is perimeter is in centimeter, fine. That's it. I hope you are getting all this step by step answer, fine, how to write these answers. So suppose if you write these step by step answers like this, you will get 5 out of 5, fine. No one will deduce your marks. All right, then nextly we'll move on to the next one. Yeah, so second question is, diagram shows the metal plate OA, B, C, D, E, F and O. This is metal plate consisting of two sectors are there, each of center O, radii OAB and EOF. This smaller sector means having radius R is there, isn't it? And these two sectors are same, fine. Then the sector COD having radius is 2R and theta is 2 theta, fine. So the perimeter of the plate is basically 14, and given that the R is greater than 3 by 2 and theta is less than 3 by 4, so find the value of R and theta. So we have to find out these theta and R, isn't it? So here basically two general equations are there and two unknowns are there. That is what we have to do. So firstly we will take the equation of perimeter. So perimeter P is equal to, we can start from here, OA, AB, BC, then CD, then DE, EF and FO, isn't it? So OA plus AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EF plus FO, isn't it? Now here what's a OA? OA is R plus AB. Now AB is the arc length. Arc length we have a formula R theta, isn't it? So this is R times theta, isn't it? R theta. Now BC. BC is basically just this total length is 2R, right? But BO is R. So 2R minus R is just this much part. BC is R, fine. Even DE is also R. Alright, so we will substitute here. BC is equal to R plus, now CD. CD is arc length. Arc length is R theta. So R is 2R times 2 theta plus DE is R. EF is again R theta because it's a arc length. FO is R. So if you add all these R, we will get 4R plus 6R theta, which is equal to, we have given the perimeter is 14. You can divide whole equation by 2, fine, which we will get 2R plus 3R theta is equal to 7. This is first equation we will get, fine. Now second part we have to calculate the equation in terms of area. So area here is equal to OAB plus OCD plus OEF. Fine. And here sector metal plates O, A, B and OEF are same. So even you can write as a 2 times OAB. That's a point. OCD. So 2 times 1 half times R square theta plus OCD is 1 half times 2R bracket square times 2 theta, which is equal to 10 is given. Now you can simplify 2 get cancelled out. Here also 2 get cancelled out. We have a r square theta plus 4r square theta is equal to 10. 5r square theta is equal to 10, isn't it? And we will get r square theta is equal to 10 divided by 5, which is 2. And this r square theta you can write as a r times r theta is equal to 2, and which is we can write as a r theta is equal to 2 by r. Why we have to write it like this? We can substitute r theta in the equation 1. From equation 1, it's a 2r plus 3 times 2 by r, right, is equal to 7. I am substituting this r theta value 2 by r here in this case, means we will get equation like this: 2r plus 3 times 2 by r is equal to 7. Simplify it. 2r square, multiply here and transfer it to the right hand side, plus 6 is equal to 7r. Find 2r square minus 7r plus 6 is equal to 0, and we will get the r2 values. So r is equal to 3 by 2 or r is equal to 2. Fine. This is not possible. Okay. Why? Because r is equal to 3 by 2. Here question given that r is greater than 3 by 2. That's why it's not possible, isn't it? Now substitute this r value in the equation 2. Fine. Here if you substitute here, means theta is equal to 2 by r square, isn't it? So means if you substitute r square as a 2, means 2 by 2 square, means it's just a 1 by 2. Fine. So theta we will get 1 by 2 radian. That's the answer. I hope you got all this explanation. If you write it like this step by step, you will get out marks as well. So to know these kind of tips and tricks, how to write the answers in your final exam to get A star grade and all those things, you can connect with us. I have left the contact in the description box. Enjoy the math.